Isn't it strange? Yeah, isn't it weird? How entertaining is the guy with a beard? A suit and tie is such a clever disguise when you want it to be mired in a myriad eyes. You think it's just AI, you'll think it's all lies, but it doesn't matter, the ladder's the prize. But now I'm all hooked up, yeah baby, I'm plugged in. The tip of the top, the creamiest crop, now no one can stop me. I'm setting up shop